Hi, my name is Tiho. My background is probably related to this workshop in certain way. I'm a medical professional, I'm a specialist in obstetrics and gynecology, and I found about this workshop actually being interested long term in integration of classical formal medicine and trying to find the ways how to prevent some of the alignments that my patients may be exposed to and that my patient may suffer either short or long term. I found that integrating aspects of the not just alternative medicine but industries that would help preventing the alignments that may affect both adults and children is quite intriguing and maybe quite difficult to pursue in order to achieve the best results. But out of my interest I found some time to attend this extremely interesting course that has brought to me new knowledge about the environmental factors that I have been exposed myself for the whole life, either as an individual human being that enjoys life at Earth, as well as a practitioner and one of the consumers of the various industries. It was very interesting to attend this course, particularly in the view of the way how it has been presented and in the way how the materials have been tested by us attendees of the course, particularly in the practice and throughout the discussions with our dear guest and presenter Patrick. I have found the work of GEOVITAL Academy quite inspiring, particularly in a way that I myself originally have come from the Central Europe, and knowing how meticulous work in this area and demanding as well can be. So I really respect the work that has been done by this academy, and I think that Patrick has presented all the achievements by this academy in an excellent way that has helped me to assess my own not just working but living environment in the first instance, and look at my own house and potentially integrate some of the aspects of this new knowledge into my practice as well, either directly working every day as a medical doctor, or indirectly over the time as potentially becoming an assessor of GEOVITAL Academy. So I would say that I'm quite grateful having an opportunity to attend this course, this workshop. It has been quite condensed, including a practical workshop at the terrain, as well as quite extensive theoretical presentations and involvement into theoretical knowledge based on a certain amount of obvious research, as well as the experience of our assessor and presentee Patrick. Once again, I'm very happy to be part of this work and potentially wider movement in the future that may help to our urban areas to create more tolerable environment for us to live in, and of course safer in a way of exposure to various radiations, geopathic stressors, and create some way of prevention of potential detrimental illnesses. Thank you very much.